Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best epoxy paint kit is probably one of the most transformative DIY projects you can undertake for your kitchen or bathroom. It's a fantastic way to revitalize your countertops without the hefty price tag of a full replacement. This video will guide you through everything you need to know, from the initial preparation to the final, stunning results, ensuring you achieve a professional-looking finish right at home. Number 5. Craft Resin 1 Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unleash your creativity with this premium epoxy resin. It provides a glass-like finish without yellowing over time, perfect for various DIY projects like art, tabletops, and jewelry. Say goodbye to bubbles and uneven finishes. This advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically, ensuring a flawless result. It's designed to provide a crystal clear finish. This epoxy resin is food-safe, non-toxic, and free of VOCs and solvents. It's safe for both home and professional use, and it's harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It cures in just 24 hours, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. This resin is also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your creations last for years. This two-part kit is easy to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need, such as resin, hardener, mixing sticks, gloves, and a manual. Upgrade your art with this easy-to-use kit. What we like. This kit boasts a bubble-free formula, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish for your projects. It's also food-safe, making it perfect for items that come into contact with food. And with its fast curing time, you won't have to wait long to enjoy your creations. If you're looking for a resin that's easy to use, safe, and efficient, you should consider this one. What people say. The epoxy went on smoothly and leveled out nicely. The color was exactly what I was hoping for. The kit had everything I needed to complete the project. Number 4. Craft Resin 34-ounce Epoxy Resin Kit. Unleash your creativity with this premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create stunning pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. Perfect for various DIY projects like art, tabletops, and jewelry making. Tired of bubbles ruining your resin projects? This advanced formula eliminates bubbles automatically. It's designed for a smooth, even finish, and the recommended depth is 1/4 inch. This epoxy resin is food-safe, low odor, and non-toxic. It's free of VOCs and solvents, making it safe for both home and professional use. It's harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. This crystal epoxy resin cures in just 24 hours, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. It's also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit 95 degrees Celsius. You'll get a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years. This two-part epoxy resin kit is easy to use, even for beginners. The kit includes resin, hardener, a reusable mixing stick, gloves, and a manual. Upgrade your art with this amazing resin. What we like. This kit offers a bubble-free experience, ensuring your projects have a professional finish. It's also food-safe, giving you peace of mind when creating items for your kitchen or dining area. Plus, it's designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. If you like a hassle-free, safe, and user-friendly resin, you should consider this one. What people say. It's incredibly easy to use with a true 1-to-1 mix ratio, making it stress-free for both beginners and experienced artists. It pours smoothly, self-levels well, and cures crystal clear with a beautiful glossy finish every time. Bubbles are easy to manage, the odor is minimal, and the cured resin is strong and professional-looking. Number 3. Giani White Diamond Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0. Tired of your old countertops? This kit offers a simple solution. In just one weekend, you can give them a stunning makeover. This kit works on formica, laminate, Korean, ceramic tile, and more. It's a versatile choice for any kitchen or bathroom. Get the look of granite with this easy-to-apply paint. It comes in 5 contemporary colors and covers a generous area. The 100% acrylic formula is low odor, low VOC, and water-based. It's also food-safe and designed to last for years. The sponge-on and roll-on application is simple and customizable. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through each step. This kit features a cool color with subtle blue undertones. The appearance may vary depending on your lighting and surrounding colors. All Giani paints and coatings are 100% manufactured and packaged in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This kit offers an easy sponge and roll-on application, making it simple to transform your countertops. It provides a durable, high-gloss finish that lasts for years. And it gives you an authentic granite look in a variety of colors. If you are looking for a quick and easy countertop makeover with a professional look, you should consider this one. What people say. The epoxy went on smooth and self-leveled. The color was exactly what I was hoping for. The product was easy to use. Number 2. Giani White Diamond Countertop Paint Kit 2.0. This kit offers a simple 3-step process. It's designed to revitalize surfaces like formica and laminate in just one weekend. This product makes it easy. Get a genuine granite look with 5 contemporary color options. It covers up to 35 square feet of countertop space. The product provides a beautiful finish. The kit includes Giani Epoxy Top Coat, which self-levels for a smooth, glass-like finish. This top coat increases the durability of the surface. It's designed to last. The top coat is low odor and low VOC, making it safe for your home. It's also food safe, ensuring peace of mind. The product is designed with your health in mind. Application is simple with a sponge on and pour on method. Detailed instructions are provided to guide you. You can customize the look to fit your space. All Giani paints and coatings are proudly manufactured and packaged in the USA. This ensures quality and supports American manufacturing. The product is made with care. What we like. This kit includes an epoxy top coat with self-leveling properties, ensuring a smooth, glass-like finish. It provides increased durability, making your countertops resistant to wear and tear. And it's designed to be food safe. If you want a durable, easy to apply, and beautiful countertop finish, you should consider this one. What people say. The epoxy went on smoothly and leveled out nicely. The color was exactly what I was hoping for. The kit had everything I needed to complete the project. Number 1. Giani Bombay Black Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0. This kit makes it easy to update your kitchen or bathroom. It allows you to transform your countertops in just one weekend. The process is simple and straightforward. This product works on various surfaces, including formica, laminate, and ceramic tile. It's a versatile solution for updating your existing countertops. You can easily give them a fresh new look. Achieve an authentic granite look with this paint kit. It comes in 5 contemporary colors to match your style. It covers up to 35 square feet, providing ample coverage for your project. The 100% acrylic formula is low odor, low VOC, and water-based. It's designed to be durable and food safe. The high-gloss top coat ensures it will last for years. The application is simple, using a sponge and roller. The process is customizable to the look of your space. Detailed, step-by-step instructions are included. All Giani paints and coatings are 100% manufactured and packaged in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. It's a reliable choice for your home improvement needs. What we like. This kit offers an easy sponge and roll-on application, making it simple to transform your countertops. It provides a durable, high-gloss finish that lasts for years. And it gives you an authentic granite look in a variety of colors. If you are looking for a quick and easy countertop makeover with a professional look, you should consider this one. What people say. The epoxy went on smoothly and leveled out nicely. The color was exactly what I was hoping for. The kit had everything I needed to complete the project. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.